Welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to stop Spotify from playing automatically in car and Bluetooth. So let's start. So I'm here on Spotify. Then let's go to the top right corner there, and then let's go to the settings and privacy, and then let's go to the part that says playback. Here on playback, you can scroll down and check that it's autoplay. Just click here and deactivate it. In that way, you will stop Spotify playing automatically and only you select the songs, or you prefer only the pause the songs by manually. So guys, as you can see, it's very easy to do it. I hope this really helps you to stop this. And well guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give thumb up to this video.